Right, guys, this is it. So many people are talking right now about what's going to happen with China if Donald Trump tariffs on 100% on import and exporting goods. So this is happening on November 1st. If Trump actually hits China with a 100% tariff, the global economy will feel it. So will Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going to get hit hard. No one is talking about what is going to happen with Bitcoin when this happens. I'm the only one that's speaking about this in the groups and the discords. I'm the only one talking about this. I feel right now, what does it mean? 100% tariff means goods imported from China into the US would double in price overnight. So it'll cause inflation, supply chain shocks, and trigger global risk off sentiment. Investors pulling money out of anything volatile. Everyone's getting scared. Wonder what's happening. Jeff's terrified. So what will happen next? Right, so in the short term, Bitcoin will, not probably, Bitcoin will drop, and it will drop fast. Why? Because traders will run from risk. Stocks, crypto, tech, they'll get it first. This is standard. You see it everywhere. Donald Trump just spoke about it not long ago, and this is what we got right here. This massive liquidation cascade. So we could easily see a 15-30% liquidity vanishes and margin traders will get wiped out. Panic first, logic later. Now this is it. This is the problem. You have the FUD, the fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So when something happens, everyone panics. New buyers sell because they don't want to lose any more of the money. Everything's gone down. Sell, sell, sell before I've lost too much. Wife's going to kill me. I can't believe I spent the holiday money. This is what's happening. So that'll happen all pretty quickly. So what would happen next? They would go into negotiations. So Trump will go into negotiations with China, trying to come to some sort of agreement, which could maybe be from 100% down to 50%. But this is going to take a month or two without failure. It's going to take a month or two. So we're into December, and the bull run will essentially be over, roughly over by then, as always. It's always finishing December, January time, as usual. So we're not going to have that. We're not going to have that chance to get the final move up to where everyone's thinking it's going. So in my opinion, it could well be over. If tariffs drives price up and growth slow, central banks could be forced to cut rates or inject liquidity. So putting their own money in, happy bankers. This is when Bitcoin could bounce, because while the risk assets struggle, monetary easing tends to help crypto. So what you'll hear is two competing narratives. So it'll either be, oh no, Bitcoin's too risky, it's not gonna make it, it's not gonna pull back up, it's not gonna go where it's supposed to go. The fear, uncertainty, and doubt, which is what I'm talking about right now. Bitcoin is a hedge against fiat manipulation, fear of missing out. You buy back in because you think it's going to go up. Which one wins? It depends on how deep the global slowdown gets. So obviously long term, everything will be alright long term. We all know that. Bitcoin is the daddy, it's the leader in the game, and it's always going to be the leader. So if tariffs stay long term, goods cost more, production shifts, and fiat purchasing power drops. This is when Bitcoin could shine again, potentially, as a digital store of value. Historically, when fiat weakens, Bitcoin finds new strength. So if the world slides into recession, which it more than likely is going to do, we're in a ton of debt. Well, I know I'm from the UK, we're in a ton of debt. The whole world is struggling right now. Recession it's inevitable. It is coming our way. If we slide into recession, capital will flee to cash. Bonds first. In my opinion, this is where Bitcoin might lag before it leads again. So you have to look at everything. There's nothing on the MVRV score. We're still way down. Nothing looks promising when you're looking at this. When you're looking into the cryptoverse, there's just everything looks so bad when you're looking around. The fear and greed index, again, 28. I mean, so this is it. Bitcoin is up from yesterday. It's up. We've got a green day. So it's a positive day. So why would the fear and greed index be less than it was yesterday? Doesn't make sense, but it is what it is. It's all just a waiting game. Now, this is where I feel this is my thoughts. You know, I could be totally wrong. I could be 100% wrong, and I hope I am. You know, we've all got money in this. We're all waiting on it to go up. We all want the big grand finish. To sum it up, really, right? If Trump really goes all in with a 100% tariff on China, we expect short-term pain, medium-term uncertainty, but big potential long-term opportunity. Only if you buy the dip. We all know this. You had your chance to buy here. You had your chance to buy here. Had your chance to buy here. You see what I'm saying? You see it when in doubt, zoom out, have a look at history, opportunities to buy, opportunities. Now, there will come a point where this was an opportunity to buy because Bitcoin will be at $1 million. So if we come back down, if we're on our way back down after the bull run, we're in the bear market, on our way back down, that will be an opportunity to buy. Coins like XRP, HBAR. I would love to get. I missed this opportunity. The wick was too fast. I missed it. So your opportunities to buy HBAR, XRP. You know, if you could get them for around 3 cents, it's a beautiful investment for the future. Buying the dip is going to be key for your long-term gains. Bitcoin thrives in chaos, but only once markets digest the shock. Stay patient. Keep your eyes on the macro data, and don't chase volatility. So don't chase the pump. When things start moving up, don't chase it. You need to have a plan. You need to stick to a plan. That's it. So you need to have spot orders or targets where you're going to buy on the way down or when it's consolidating sideways. That's us. If you found this helpful, hit like, drop me a comment. Let me know what you think of the Bitcoin price prediction. And please subscribe if you want some real world live updates. This is it. I'm just a normal guy trying to get rich from crypto. I know more than most, trying to get my channel out there, so it helped me grow. Until next time.